Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Loopring price prediction and Loopring news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Loopring in 2022. Loopring is an Ethereum token. It is described by its creators as an open source, non-custodial, auditable exchange protocol. With it, any user will be able to create non-custodial order book exchanges based on Ethereum using zero-knowledge proofs. In 2020, the average daily trading volume across the entire cryptocurrency market fluctuated roughly in the $50-200 million range. Most of this trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms operated by private companies that store user funds and facilitate the matching of buy and sell orders. The intended goal of Loopring is to combine centralized order matching with decentralized order settlement on the blockchain into a hybrid product that takes the best from both centralized and decentralized exchanges. The founder and current CEO of the Loopring Foundation, which manages the development of the Loopring protocol, is Daniel Wang, a software engineer and entrepreneur based in Shanghai. So let's start with the most important news of the past days. Traders can bet on these altcoins at the dip. These may rebound with high magnitude very soon. As the crypto market is plunging for the nth time since the bull run materialized the highs for many of the altcoins, many cryptos may tend to rebound with huge intensity. Some altcoins tend to flip the bearish divergence quickly and recover more than 50% loss in just a couple of days. And below mentioned are some of the altcoins belonging to this group. Loopring, LRC. The LRC trading volume had dried up significantly from the past week or 10 days. However, the selling volume aggravated since the early trading hours, which clearly signified the traders held the asset amid the previous sell-off. However, the asset is approaching the apex of the consolidation and may either rebound or maintain a notable consolidation for some time. FTM, the phantom price had maintained a notable uptrend since the mid of 2021 and traded above the trend line, showcasing the strength of the rally. However, the price sliced through the trend line and headed towards the south. Currently no signs of a rebound is witnessed, but amid any crash, the asset quickly rebounds after a minor consolidation. Therefore, the FTM price may accumulate gains and quickly rebound, ranging higher once the market trend turns slightly bullish. Theta after the recent slash is testing one of the crucial support levels that it flipped a couple of days before, and hence may form a double bottom pattern which could raise the price to some extent and test the neckline at $4.29. Once these levels are tested and cleared finally, a major uptrend could be imminent. However, the pattern would become invalid if the price closes the price below the current support levels. Yet the asset may rebound quickly, defeating the bears. Curve Dow, CRV, the CURV, Dow, price has also plunged to its lowest ever levels for the first time in the past 6 months, and hence signifies some sort of a bearish trend that may drag the asset to its initial levels below $1. However, with each plunge towards the support levels, the asset has risen significantly, and hence a similar flip may be fast approaching as the market initiates to stabilize a little. The GRT, the graph token is trending within a depleting channel for quite a long time, and hence testing all the support levels. The GRT price was primed for a rebound a couple of days before, but the uncertain environment compelled the price to hover below the crucial support levels. After slicing through important support levels, the price may discover new lows quickly and attempt to rebound, which is due for a long time. Collectively, the crypto space may continue to be pretty much uncertain for the next couple of days, and hence could stabilize somewhere by the end of February or in March 2022. Once Bitcoin price flips strongly, most of the altcoins tend to follow the star crypto and reverse the trend firmly. The next news, crypto market shed $200 billion on Russia-Ukraine conflict, Market Watch. After yesterday's brief recovery attempts, Bitcoin nosedive once again following the conflict escalation between Russia and Ukraine and dumped to just over $34,000. Most altcoins suffered even more, with substantial double-digit losses evident from the majority. Bitcoin plummeted to a monthly low. All eyes are now on the rapidly escalating tension between Russia and vice versa. Thankfully, Rollup projects have made several breakthroughs in the last year that have significantly improved their user experience, efficiency and other features. What are Layer 2 Rollups? Layer 2 Rollups are scaling solutions predominantly utilized in the Ethereum ecosystem, which outsource the execution of transactions outside the main blockchain, but retain some data per transaction on-chain. This allows transactions to leverage the same security model as the Ethereum main network, while being processed in a separate layer, preventing network congestion and enabling faster confirmation times. There are two types of rollups, each with its own design and security properties. Optimistic rollups do not conduct transaction computation by default, hence, they can scale Ethereum better by a factor of 10 to 100x. Moreover, they can process complex smart contracts. This stands in contrast to zero-knowledge (ZK) rollups, which are mostly capable of running simple transactions. However, withdrawal times for optimistic rollups are significantly longer than ZK due to fraud challenges. Zero-knowledge rollups ZK rollups transfer batches of transactions from layer 1 to 2 and create a validity proof for every batch. This drastically reduces the data size of transactions, which in turn lowers gas costs and shortens confirmation times. Unlike optimistic rollups, ZK rollups do not require fraud challenges, since the validity proofs are already verified, allowing fast withdrawal. A ZK rollup usually comprises two Merkle trees, a vital mathematical structure that helps blockchains avoid the faking of data on its on-chain records, which are stored on a smart contract. One Merkle tree stores the accounts, while the other safekeeps all balances. All other data that the ZK rollup uses is stored off-chain. Top Layer 2 rollups Polygon. Polygon is a Layer 2 platform that describes itself as Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains, offering not only a scaling solution, but also a framework for interoperability with other Layer 2 protocols. Unlike most rollups, Polygon has its own native token called MATIC, which is used instead of ETH to pay for gas. This gives Polygon an advantage over other Layer 2 solutions on Ethereum, since users don't necessarily need to bear the costs of transferring Ethereum tokens into the Polygon mainnet initially. They can simply buy MATIC and use it to buy other tokens on decentralized exchanges, DEXs, that support Polygon. Using Polygon dApps will allow you to trade, deposit liquidity or take out loans at a fraction of the cost of the Ethereum mainnet. Loopring price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Since 2022 is just getting started, this is the perfect moment for some predictions. Any altcoin should be valued in the context of the overall market climate and performance of Bitcoin. Loopring price prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Loopring will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $1.20 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $1.02, with a maximum price of $1.20 for 2022. LRC Price Prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price outlook for the LRC will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will get a lot more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $1.47 and a minimum bid of $1.43. The maximum bid is expected to be around $1.69. LRC Price Prediction 2024. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Loopring will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2024, LRC is expected to peak at $2.50. The minimum bet could go up to $2.10 if the market turns bullish. LRC Price Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Loopring price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility